In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore deleted Google contacts. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this. And you can do this on any phone you're using, whether it's Android, iPhone, Samsung, anything like that. So all you want to do is go over to your browser of choice. So we're using Google Chrome for this example, and then go to contacts.google.com, and then just make sure you're signed in to the correct account. You're going to see all your different contacts, and now on the top left, go ahead and click on these three little lines. You're going to see more options. And let's say you previously deleted any contacts. What you're going to have to do is go over to bin. So click on bin, and then any contacts that you previously deleted are going to be appearing right here. And yeah, it's as simple as that. You might also get an option. Let's say if you just recently deleted someone from your contacts, under fix and manage, you're also going to get an undo changes option as well. And then yeah, you'll be good to go after that. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.